Do you want to know how you can make $8,000 plus a month online with minimum to no effort? Keep watching. First, go to Wix.com. You're going to want to make a website geared to social media management. You can check out this website, Hootsuite, as a good idea for what you need to do. Now, after you get your Wix site made, you're going to want to go over to Fiverr. Type in social media management. Then hit budget and put a max budget of $10. And here you'll find a bunch of social media managers who offer their services at a really cheap price. Now what you're going to do is you're going to contact one of these individuals and ask if they'd be interested in working for your new agency. They'll say yes because you're going to be bringing them more business. They're getting paid either way. And now what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to businesses with your Wix site and offer them social media management services. Now, an important thing is you need to charge on a monthly basis. That way, once you get everything set up, you can have a truly passive income business. And every time you get an order on your website, you're going to have your Fiverr partner fulfill it for you. And you'll keep the difference in price. Say that you charge $300 a month for your services. And your Fiverr worker, you can pay $30 to $40 because that goes a long way in other countries. That would be a $260 net profit for you. And let's say that you scaled, which is easy to do, and you got 20 clients on your book. That would be $5,200 a month in profit for you. And you can even add additional services to easily scale past $8,000 to $10,000 a month. Follow me for more money-making tips.